channel. So in today's video I'm doing another holiday makeup tutorial. You know, it's that time again, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of different looks, and I'll make sure you stay tuned. But anyways, let's start this makeup tutorial with priming my face, and I'm using my Cover FX blurring primer, which I love. It's my favorite primer at the moment. For foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation stick, which I also love, and I'm in the color 130, which is buff beige. I don't know if you guys could hear the rain, but it's been raining since the morning, and it's gonna be 2 o'clock right now. Don't get me wrong, I love the rain, but I'm trying to take pictures, so hopefully it stops. But anyways, I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer to conceal. I feel like I applied a little bit too much, but it's fine. Going to apply my lip oil because my lips are really dry right now, especially with this weather. Okay, so to bake now, I'm actually going to be using my Airspun Loose face powder. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm super excited to use it again. This still smells like baby powder. I don't know why, but it smells like that. Okay, so now I'm going to bronze my face, and I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. You guys know this is another favorite of mine. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face, and the brush I'm using is a T20 by the Makeup Shack. I'm also going to be contouring my nose. So next I'm going to be cleaning everything up with some translucent powder. I love doing this because it makes everything look so much cleaner. Do you guys like it when I do talk throughs instead of voiceovers? Let me know, because I'm getting really used to doing talk throughs, and I really like it because I feel like I could really talk to you guys. So let me know down below. But now for blush, I'm going to be using this new one actually. This one is by Karity, and it's called the Blush Bomb Boom Berry. This is how it looks like. It's really pretty. I'm probably gonna use this one right here because it's a little bit darker. Oh, this is actually really pretty. I'm also going to be applying some on the tip of my nose. I'm done with the face makeup, and now it's time to do the eyes. Today I'm actually going to be using the MorpheBrushes and James Charles palette. This is the second time I'm using it. I hope you guys like what I'm going to do, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm all done with the eyes. I'm obsessed with this look and I hope you guys are too. I love it and I'm ready for Christmas. But now for lips, I'm gonna use my favorite lipstick, which is by Kylie, and it's called Dolce. But first, I'm gonna apply lip liner, and I'm gonna use this one by MAC. I don't know if I should use this one or this one. I don't even know where it's at, so I'm just gonna use this one by MAC. So whenever I mess up, I do go in with a little bit of concealer and I just start cleaning everything up. And then I just kind of blend it in with my finger. And boom, like nothing happened. Okay, so now I'm just going in with my lipstick. Now to finish up this look, I'm going to set my makeup and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and this one is from the Cherry collection. I am all done with this makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys loved it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave and make sure you turn on your post notifications. That way you guys could get notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you guys and I'll see you guys on my next video.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.